Use of flat documentation in 3D building modeling. The film was prepared by a team from Poznan University of Technology as part of the Recover IND project. Scan of the drawing documentation can be used as a trace reference when modeling the building and building information modeling. The old drawing documentation can be used for comparison with the inventory measurements. The paper version is worth scanning and inserting as a base for 3D modeling. If there is a problem with scanning a large format sheet of paper, you can scan a smaller format and put the images together in a graphics editing program. When combining into one drawing, be careful to use straight lines and the correct distances given on the dimension lines. Small sketches are also worth turning into a digital version. A photograph may suffice instead of a scan. Wykonujcie bez lampy bliskowej się dobra zwiadlniu. Starajcie robić bez perspektywy. Usta apparat round olegal do strony. Watch out for the shadow on the page. Old drawings are often in the form of photocopies. The lines are purple and the sheet is also a shade of purple, and for this reason the drawing may not be legible. After scanning the drawing, you can modify the color curve settings in the graphics program to improve brightness and contrast. You can change also the color to shades of gray. The drawing is now clearer. Save file as PNG format. You can use any graphics program. In this example I have used GIMP with a free license. The prepared drawing can be imported into a BIM modeling program. In this example I have used ArchiCAD with a free educational license. Open new file in ArchiCAD, then mouse right-click on Worksheet and create new independent worksheet. Enter a drawing name and click Create. Open the new worksheet and import PNG drawing. From the main menu, select File, then External Content, and then place External Drawing. Select the prepared PNG format file and insert it in any place. If you are starting to model, it is a good idea to insert elements close to the starting point marked with a small X on the screen. In the program settings, choose which units you will model in, centimeters or millimeters. Then check any dimension on the scanned documentation and calculate the scale, if necessary. To scale your drawing, use the Scale tool. Select your drawing and on the main menu select Edit, then Reshape and then Resize. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+K. You can enter the scale in the window as a fraction or percentage or define it graphically in the drawing. The scaled drawing can be displayed as a background for modeling. Open the story level, then mouse right-click on Worksheet and select Show as Trace Reference. You can prepare multiple drawings as worksheets and switch views in the background as required. If the drawing is not readable, you can change the way it is displayed. Open the palette from the Trace and Reference menu. From the main menu, select Window, then Palettes, then Trace and Reference. You can change the color of the drawing and transparency of the drawing. Click on the color icon and select a color that will stand out from the color of the modeled elements. Use the slider to change the intensity of the drawing. You can change also the transparency of the model. Use the slider to change the intensity of the drawing. Use lines and dimensions as a basis for modeling a building in 3D. You can also display the background on elevation and section views. Thank you for your attention.